Hello and welcome back. If you're a transcriber or you're looking to be a transcriber and you've been searching online for transcription platform, I assume you've heard of Happy Scribe. Before we go into the video, I would appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Happy Scribe is a transcription and subtitling platform. Happy Scribe offers transcription and subtitling services to businesses and institutions that are in need of such services, as well as transcription and subtitling jobs for freelancers. So this video is more or less like a review of my experience with Happy Scribe. So head straight to their website to see how everything works on their platform. This is the transcription jobs page, and on Happy Scribe you can transcribe from home, enjoy the flexibility of working from home, join a global community of transcribers from United States, United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and many more. And mind you, Happy Scribe accepts applicants from all over the world. It doesn't really matter which country you apply from. So they claim to pay 90 cents per minute, and the average monthly pay is 450 euros, and the top monthly pay is 3,000 euros. How does it work? Submit your application, take an assessment test, and complete a questionnaire. We'll be in touch as soon as possible. So you would have to take a test on their website when you sign up and decide to work as a transcriber and submit it. When they are done reviewing your work, they'll send you an email to tell you if you've been rejected or if you've been accepted onto their platform. After you've been accepted on their platform, you can start work and choose from their catalog of jobs and start transcribing. Then you get paid for transcribing. So they pay bi-weekly. That means they pay twice a week through bank transfer in your currency on a bi-weekly basis. So how do you work from home as a freelance transcriber on Happy Scribe? First, you sign up, fill the details, and select the language of your choice. 2. Skill check. For us to assess the transcription skills, you will have to proofread the transcript of a sample file. The transcription guidelines are your friend. Make sure to follow them. You will be allowed to check them during the test. 3. We will review your application. If you're a good fit, we will reach out by email. So now the frequently asked questions. What is the job about? I advise you read the FAQs of every platform you decide to work on. It's very necessary. So over here they give you a detailed description of what working on Happy Scribe entails. What is the process of becoming a transcriber? We've gone through this already. Can I work from India? Yes. This is a 100% remote freelance position. All you need is your laptop, a good internet connection, and quiet space to work. So on Happy Scribe, you would need a laptop. You can't work on your phone, and I don't think you can work on your tablet either. So you would need a laptop for your transcriptions. Where do your transcribers come? Our transcribers and subtitlers come from every part of the world. United States, United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and many more. We love our international scribe community. How much do I get paid on average? We've gone through this already as well. So in order to earn 3,000 euros every month, you would have to be one of their most active transcribers in order to earn 3,000, and you would have to transcribe more transcripts. So head straight into my email to read the email I received from Happy Scribe after completing the transcription test when I was applying for the transcription job on their platform. So this is the email I received from Happy Scribe after taking the test, the transcription test. I took the test in January of 2022, so earlier this year. And this is the email. Hey, we are getting in touch regarding your application to become a freelance collaborator at Happy Scribe. We have reviewed your test and we wanted to tell you that you have been shortlisted. While we are unable to give you specific feedback on your test, here are some common reasons why your application has scored quite well. You spelled correctly what has been said. You possibly got a good grammar score. You respected natural speech pauses and nailed the subtitle breaks. You did a great job with synchronization, CPO, and CPS. You have been able to use correctly tags such as inaudible or crosstalk. Despite getting a decent score on your test, we are sorry to inform you that we are not able to start working with more transcribers at the moment. all our positions are filled. We will keep your application in the waiting list for a while in case positions open up in the future. This could be in a couple of weeks or even in a few months. And guys, mind you, I applied in January. I'm recording this video on the 30th of December 2022 and I still haven't heard from them. This could be in a couple of weeks or in a few months. Unfortunately, we are not able to tell you precisely. In the unfortunate case of not hearing back from us or getting a final rejection email, you can take the test again using the same email address in about 3 months. So I'll go ahead and open my Happyscribe, should I call it dashboard, Happyscribe page, so this is my Happyscribe dashboard or page or whatever we call it, and this is what I received after taking the test and submitting it, and it has been like this since January, and as I said earlier, we are in December. Thank you for taking the time to submit your application. We are really excited to review your work. At the moment, due to the high number of applications, we cannot reach back with feedback about your exam. If you want to learn more about the next steps, make sure you check there's not much help here. So what do you guys think? Should I reapply or should I just let it go? Let me know in the comment section. And note, in order to reapply, you would have to delete your account altogether and create a new one all over again and take the test again. So this is my review on Happyscribe based on my experience. If you've had a different experience with them, please let us know in the comment section when you applied, in terms of the time you applied and the country you applied from. If you're planning on applying on Happyscribe as a transcriber, then I'll advise you hold on for a while, but if you still want to try it out, then feel free, you might get lucky. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.